Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to take funny screenshot in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you just have to download it. Select your capture. Here you will find funny screenshot. Press on this. From here, you can select three options: shaped screenshot, lasso screenshot, and doodle screenshot. Here, I am selecting lasso screenshot. Press on save. That's it. So this is how to take funny screenshot in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.